How to link a specific time on YouTube videos right from your phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can link a specific time for any YouTube videos. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube app from your device. Then go ahead and play on any video that you would like. At this page, swipe into your left and tap onto clip. Now just like so, cut the segment of the video. Also write a title. Then tap on to share clip. Under here you can either copy the link or share this song with your friends. And the opener of this link will get directed to the same portion of video that you just edited. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.